Yes, absolutely. So, what motivated you to become Uyghur Man?
Like I mentioned earlier, I'm a Uyghur man is my identity. It's who I am basically. I tried so hard to escape from China just for be Uyghur man actually, not Chinese man or not communist man. I just want to be myself. That's why I spent too long, like 2 years, for asking China, like giving me passport, please, and I will go study. And I left all my loved ones back to home just for keep my identity as a Uyghur man. And I also believe second reason is I also believe like everyone has their own purpose of in this world. I don't consider myself as a religious guy, but something about my understanding of this world is, yeah, we come to this world. Everyone has their own different task, like a lot of small tasks with a big task. Like a small task maybe every time, anywhere, but the big task is long-term task. So you need to figure out, you need to discover by yourself. I always keep asking God every night, or if I can't sleep, if I keep thinking something, I would ask, "What do you want from me?" I mean, be Uyghur man is so hard. And after this genocide started, after this concentration camp started, then I know, okay, thanks God, you told me the answer. For sure, I mean, as a less than 0.001% Uyghurs who lucky enough to escape from the home, escape from the China, and now he's staying safe physically. As that is a gift from God. That's how I make sure my life task, my long-term goal or mission from the God, or why I am here, is just be the voice for my people to save those people. That's why I call Uyghur Man and try to be the voice for the voiceless people. And a third reason is being Uyghur Man is so hard. Like we constantly get attacked, even though we are outside of China. So a lot of Uyghurs start to try to hide their identity. I realize that they don't want to uh, uh, tell people as they're Uyghurs because people don't know. We're gonna start a big topic that people say, "Oh, Uyghurs, where you are?" Like people try to avoid those. They just say, "Oh, yeah, I'm from China," or "I'm a Turkish," just like that. They try to avoid these topics. They try to hide their identity, even the Uyghurs outside of China. So I don't like that. I want to. What I believe is we have to introduce ourselves because only ourselves can help ourselves and save ourselves. So I also try to motivate more Uyghurs to stand up and tell people we are Uyghurs and tell them our history, our culture, so more people know. Let's fight this Chinese propaganda about Uyghurs. That's why I named the channel called Uyghur Man, and it's also my identity. That's why. So
Excellent. So,